Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 9. The formula to determine the pH of a solution given its hydronium ion concentration is y equals negative log x. X represents the hydronium concentration. Y represents the pH of the solution. What equation represents the hydronium ion concentration in terms of the pH? All right, so we're given this equation. So we're given a logarithmic equation, y equals negative log x. And the first thing we want to do is isolate the logarithm. So when there's a negative there, that's the same as a negative 1. It's just got a coefficient of 1 there, even though you don't see it. So we're going to have negative y equals log of x. All right, when there's no base, remember, you assume that to be a base 10. All right, so we're going to go from logarithmic form to exponential form. So remember, using the cloud method, we're going to do 10 to the negative y power equals x. So if you switch these around, x equals 10 to the negative y. All I did was switch which side that the x is on. So the answer to number 9 is D. So you can solve this by using exponential and logarithm.